Embracing the future. As we embark on this transformative journey, we are committed to continuous innovation, ethical practices, and transparent governance. Our goal is to create an ecosystem that not only thrives financially, but also enriches lives and restores the planet. We invite you to join us in this pioneering endeavor. Your involvement in the Sumac Kase ecosystem is an opportunity to be part of a global movement, shaping a future where technology, ecology, and humanity converge for the greater good. Let's build this future together, a future that's not just imaginable but achievable. The Sumac Kase Ecosystem ICO is a testament to what we can achieve when we unite for a common purpose. It's an invitation to be part of something transformative, an initiative where your investment brings financial returns and fosters a world of harmony, sustainability, and shared prosperity.